In this video, we're looking at problem sum 8 from exercise 10.2. Let's begin with the problem statement. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. See figure 10.12. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Now, they've already given us the figure, so it's fairly easy. What we can see is that since the circle, right, with center O is circumscribed. Circumscribed means it is fit inside the quadrilateral in such a way that its sides touch the sides of the quadrilateral, and they are touching the sides AB, BC, CD and DA of the quadrilateral at points P, Q, R and S. Okay. So we are supposed to prove that the sum of AB plus CD. Now if you observe, AB and CD, they lie on the opposite sides. We have to show that the sum of the opposite sides is equal to the sum of the remaining opposite sides. Okay. So let us first write down the given to prove statements and see how can we prove it. So given circle with center O, right? We have to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Now, if we observe, right, points A, B, C and D, these points lie to the exterior of the circle. So these are external points, right, from which it appears like tangents are drawn to the circle, right? Tangents are drawn to the circle. So if we consider this point A here, right, I can say that AS and AP are the tangents drawn to the circle with center O from an external point A. And so according to theorem 10.2, the lengths of tangents will be congruent to each other. Let me just show this clearly over here, because we will be using that to prove. So AS is equal to AP. Similarly, if we consider point B, I know that point B is an external point from which BP and BQ are the tangents drawn to the circle with center O, and therefore BP and BQ are equal to each other. Similarly, RC is equal to CQ and DR is equal to DS, right? So this information we'll use. We'll begin with the LHS, that is AB plus CD, and see if we can substitute this equality that we have got and reach to the RHS. Okay. So firstly, let's begin by writing these pairs of these lengths of tangents which are equal to each other. So AS is equal to AP lengths of tangents from an external point to the circle are equal. Or you can also write theorem 10.2. However, in the exam it is recommended that you write the proper statement or a shorter version of the theorem statement. Okay, that is more presentable and you're more likely to get full marks for those. So I would recommend writing complete statements. But just so you know that this is the statement of theorem 10.2. Now let's write down our next pair. BP is equal to BQ and CQ is equal to CR and DR is equal to DS. So I'll just mark that the reason is common for all of them, right? And you can also say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now let us begin with LHS. Okay, so AB plus CD. I know that AB is actually a sum of AP and PB, okay, and CD is the sum of DR and RC. So let us write that down. AB is a sum of AP plus PB and CD is a sum of DR plus RC. Okay, but AP is actually equal to AS and BP is actually equal to BQ. Then DR is actually equal to DS and CR is actually equal to CQ. So can we replace all of these with the segments that they are equal to? Yes. I can say that AP is equal to AS, PB is equal to BQ, DR is equal to DS and RC is equal to CQ. Now this is from 1, 2, 3 and 4. But if we notice, AS plus DS is actually AD. So AS plus DS is AD, which we want, right? We want to show that this is equal to AD. So we want AD on the RHS. Then CQ plus QB, right? CQ plus BQ or QB is the same, is actually nothing but BC, right? So we are very close to our answer. We just have to rearrange this a little. AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. Now AS plus DS is AD, BQ plus CQ is BC, which is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. Okay, so if you have any doubts or questions, feel free to post them in the comment section. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for many more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.